See the continuation of previous lecture. So in the previous lecture we have seen for n is odd, the value of sk is e power j pi k by n. So previous lecture lo by mistake 2 padindi, akkada 2 ledu. Okay, e power j pi k by n. Okay, so now the roots can be obtained from this equation. So keep it as equation 5, from equation 5. Okay, so n is equal to 3, k is equal to 1. Substitute n is equal to 3, k is equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, so for k is equal to 1, yes, 1 is equal to e power j pi by 3. So e power j pi by 3, that means k value is 1, n value is 3, e power j pi by 3. Now it is in the form of equation cos pi by 3 plus j sin pi by 3. Here cos pi by 3 value is 0.5 and sin pi by 3 value is j 0.866. Okay, so in the same way, for k is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So here is what? So in this, k is equal to 1, n is common, n is equal to 3 for all the values of s. Okay, this is k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3, k is equal to 4, k is equal to 5 and k is equal to 6. Okay, so let us see for k is equal to 2, e power j 2 pi by 3. So now cos 2 pi by 3 plus j sin 2 pi by 3. So here the value is minus 0.5 plus j 0.866. So in the same way, for k is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, the value is e power j pi. Cos pi plus j sin pi is equal to minus 1. Now k is equal to 4. Here the value is g power j 4 pi by 3. Cos 4 by 3 plus j sin 4 by 3. Here the values minus 0.5 minus 0.866. Okay. Now k is equal to 5. In the same way for k is equal to 6. After finding all the values. Okay. So after finding all the values, here the poles are located in the S-plane. So this is the S-plane. X-axis is represented as sigma and y-axis is j omega. So this is total S-plane. S is equal to what? Sigma plus j omega. Okay. So now the poles are located in the circle. So now it is found that the angular separation between these poles which is given as 360 degrees divided by 2n. Okay, so here మనం ఇక్కడ n value ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం మనం 3. Okay, that is 360 degrees divided by 2 into 3, what? 60. That means 360 degrees divided by 60. You are getting angle as 60 degrees. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనం find out చేసాం poles. This is 1 and this is 1. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్కడికి యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 60 degrees. ఈ పోల్ నుంచి ఈ పోల్కి యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 60 degrees. Same, here to here is 60, here to here is 60, here to here is 60. Total 6 poles are located in the circle. So all these 6 poles are, ఇవన్నీ poles, 6 poles. ఆ poles ని ఇక్కడ లొకేట్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో ఈ పోల్స్ అన్నిటిలోంచి ఇప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ పార్ట్ లో ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకుందాం. ఓకే, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ పోల్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? -1 ఒకటి ఉంది, -0.5 minus j 0.866 minus 0.5 plus j 0.86. ఓకే, సో దాన్ని ఈక్వేషన్ లో రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే, సో ఇది ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద S plane, ద పోల్ ఈస్ -1, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ S plus 1. ఓకే, so this is S plus 1 pole. Next, other pole is what? This is real part and this is imaginary part. So for real part, you have to write it as S plus 0.5 whole square plus, so remove that j whole square plus 0.866 whole square. Okay, so you are getting s plus 1. It is in the form of s square a plus b whole square. So s plus 0.5 whole square, 0.86 whole square. ఇది మీరు చేశారు అంటే you are getting s square plus s plus 1. Okay, now this is what? This is a denominator path. Denominator. Okay, this is denominator of h of s. Okay, h of s ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు 1 by s plus 1 into s square plus s plus 1. Now we can find for n is equal to 4. That is for even. N is equal to even. The poles can be found for s of suffix k is equal to e power j pi k. Here pi k is nothing but pi suffix k is equal to pi by 2 plus 2k minus 1 into pi by 2n. Here for k is equal to 1, n is equal to 4. Okay, so yeah, k is equal to 1, n is equal to 4. K is, if you substitute k is equal to 1 means 2 minus 1 into pi divided by, what is the value of n? 4. 2 into 4 is 8. That is 2 pi by 8. Okay, sorry, pi by 8. Pi by 8. Okay, so pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So LCM is 8. 4 pi by pi. That is 5 pi by 8. So e power j 5 pi by 8. So pi k value is 5 pi by 8. Substitute here 5 pi by 8. E power j 5 pi by 8. Now దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మళ్ళీ? cos 5 pi by 8 plus j sin 5 pi by 8. Here the values are minus 0.3827 plus j 0.9239. Okay, so in the same way for k is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. First substitute k is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. So after getting pi k value, substitute pi k here. So here pi k value is 7 pi by 8. Substitute 7 pi by 8 value here. So you are getting s2 value as this one. Okay, in the same way substitute k is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Okay, so here k is equal to 4. So after getting k for n k is equal to 4, you are getting 11 pi by 8. Here pi k value is what? 11 pi by 8. After getting 11 pi by 8, substitute here e power j 11 pi by 8. Here the value are this one. Okay, so in order to find the denominator transfer function of h of s is the left hand side of the poles. So you have to take the left hand side of the poles. That is, so this is 0.3827. That is s plus 0.3827 whole square plus 0.929239 whole square into next pole is what? S plus 0.9239 whole square plus 0.3827 whole square. So if you మీరు ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారనుకోండి, దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ a plus b whole square plus this whole square. So you can get s square plus 1.847766 s plus 1 into s square plus 0.7536 s plus 1. This is what denominator transfer function of h of s for n is equal to 4. That means 4th order low pass Butterworth filter. Okay, so ఇంతకు ముందు n is equal to 3 find out చేసాం. అదేంటి? That is 3rd order Butterworth low pass filter. Okay, next lecture we have to see how to find out the order of the filter. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ తీసుకుని మనం డినామినేటర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే మనం సమ్ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ తీసుకుని ఆర్డర్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనేది నెక్స్ట్ లెక్చర్లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే.